I have been wanting to make a neon soap for so long. I've had these pigments in my coloring drawer forever. I was recently inspired by these amazing bright magenta, blues, purples, and fluorescent yellows from the Barbie movie and realized now is the time to do it. And in this video, I show you how. From picking out my colorants, picking out the fragrance oil, and finally pouring the soap in the mold. That's all in today's video. Let me show you how I did it. I went with Berry Blossom by Bramble Berry as my fragrance for this soap, and there's a few reasons why I chose this. The smell, first and foremost. Berry Blossom is really, really nice. It's the type of scent that you can wear on your skin all day. It's just, everyone's gonna like it as soon as they hold it up to their nose and smell it because it has that little bit of berry and a little bit of floral. It's a match made in heaven. But another reason why I chose this is because it says that it behaves well in cold processed soap and that it discolors to off-white in cold processed soap. So I wasn't going to get any major discoloration when it comes to this soap. And because it was a brand new soap I was doing, playing with pigments that I've never played with before, I'm always a little bit nervous to use fragrance oils that have a bit of a warning attached to them. Bramble Berry does a good job of letting you know whether or not a fragrance oil is going to cause acceleration. And so I was really happy that this amazing scent behaves well in cold processed soap. These neon colors were the key to getting this soap from ordinary to extraordinary. Because they're not FDA approved to be used cosmetically, it was hard to find a project to use these. Oh my gosh. And because today is a neon soap, I decided to wear my neon yellow hoodie. And for those wondering, the jewelry that I'm wearing along with this outfit is from Ana Luisa. They sent me some pieces that I thought would be perfect with this outfit. This company has been sending me jewelry for a while now, and each time a package comes in, I'm always blown away by the quality of the pieces and also the price tag that these pieces have. They are super affordable and they are also very sustainable. This simple gold chain and these hoops and this other pair, let me show you, this other pair of hoop earrings, which are so simple but do an awesome job of tying a whole look together. Even though I'm wearing a casual hoodie, I don't feel like the jewelry is too much. I feel like everything looks balanced, and they're also super affordable. Their pieces start at $39, which I think is amazing. If you see jewelry in my video, 9 times out of 10, it is Ana Luisa. Every single piece that I've received from Ana Luisa is still gorgeous to this day, and I still wear them. Ana Luisa doesn't sell costume jewelry. They sell gorgeous staple pieces that I reach for every morning to complete my entire look and also elevates my look. The pieces are also tarnish resistant, tested against allergies, and backed by a 2-year warranty, which is awesome. So if you're unsatisfied with your jewelry, then you can send it back to be replaced or reimbursed, no questions asked.
And for those looking to save some money, I've got an amazing discount code for you. Use code JericaZ20 to save an additional 20% off of your order. Fall is coming, and it's a great time to refresh your look with some beautiful, simple, and long-lasting jewelry. Click the link below to check out Ana Luisa's website.
So thank you, Ana Luisa, for helping me tie together another great look. I'm going to split the batter in half. And the soap that goes into this guy is going to be my base color, the magenta color. And to this I'm going to add half my fragrance oil. I'm going to add maybe half a teaspoon of this colorant. I don't know. We'll see, guys. Then I'm going to go blend this up. Look at the gorgeous color that I got from that. We are going to pour into our soap mold here. Wow, this is a gorgeous color. When I made my lotion in the other video, someone's like, that's not Barbie pink. Barbie pink is magenta. And I totally agree with that commenter. It was not pink enough, so hopefully this soap makes up for that. All right, let's do our other colors. I'm gonna add the rest of my fragrance oil into my soap. Just mix that in really well. And then split this soap into my three colors. Try to scrape as much of this as I can. And I will say that the soap is a lot lighter when I don't use hemp seed oil. So if you're finding that your soaps are kind of have a yellowish tinge to them, it's probably hemp seed oil or extra virgin olive oil, which is also really green. Add my neon colors, blue, purple, and this really bright fluorescent yellow. It's called Tennis Ball Breaker from Bad Micas. Wow, that is quite yellow. All right, let's go blend these together. All right, let's start with blue. These colors definitely are true to what they look like in their jars, that's for sure. Purple. Look at this fluorescent yellow. Oh my goodness. It is definitely highlighter yellow. I'm gonna take my swirling tool and go in a few times. Get rid of that excess soap. Now I'm gonna pour the rest of my colors. Let's go blue. More purple. And lastly, yellow, but I'm going to save just a little bit of this yellow to use as topper for my soap. We're going to go in again with our swirling tool. Wipe that excess from our hands. Now we're just going to get rid of this extra soap on top. Just scrape all of our jars. Here's our gorgeous blue. Oh my gosh, this blue is so pretty. Well, the soap has definitely behaved for me. And by that I mean the fragrance oil gave me no surprises. And now we're going to texture our tops. I like to do a really fun ice cream type swirl. Just push up the waves like that. I'm getting 90s vibes from this soap already. Just this color palette is so fun. Oh, I love that I have some pink in there. Then we're gonna grab some of our highlighter yellow and just place it on top like so. And now that I'm looking at it, it kind of reminds me of Barbie's hair. Her blonde hair, although there were Barbies with dark colored hair. I wasn't a big Barbie fan when I was small. 90s toys were a lot of fun. Do you remember watching TV and the commercials would come on and then there would be that new 90s toy that you just had to have? I don't know if things are like that nowadays. And now we are going to add our little bit of a swirl here to break up these lines. And this is what gives my soaps their signature swirl that I'm known for. We're not done. We definitely want to add some glitter to this. So we're going to, so this is Champagne and Roses glitter from Fizz Fairy, and I think it's the perfect topper to the soap. Oh, beautiful. Okay, if you're making a Barbie soap, definitely needs this glitter. Perfect finisher to my soap. I never know how a fragrance oil is going to react when I make soap with it, even if it says it's good in the reviews that it doesn't accelerate. I feel like different recipes react differently to certain fragrance oils, but this fragrance oil, Berry Blossom, was awesome. This was just the perfect amount of acceleration that I like, and I took a little bit extra longer because I'm still figuring out my studio, I'm still moving stuff around, but it was perfect, and I ended up with this gorgeous soap. Now, even though it looks really good, you can see in the cameras, the colors turned exactly how I wanted them to be. We don't know if it's gonna be like that over a 24-hour, 12-hour cure, which is what I like to do before I cut them. So I'm gonna show you what this looks like tomorrow. Hopefully it looks just like this, but I'm really excited to see what it looks like on the inside, and I'm excited to show you guys. So see you guys tomorrow. Good morning. Are you excited to see the soap? Huh? Huh, Gibbs? It's the next day. Let's go cut the soap. Oh my God. I am so excited to cut into this soap. The mold I used is a soap mold by Winston & Walter, and I love this mold so much. If you want the recipe and steps where I list also all of the ingredients that I used for this soap, that's all on my Patreon, which is linked down below. These soaps are going to be a gift to my Golden Bubble patrons that signed up back in, wait, what's the next month? August. So whoever has signed up before July 26th, they're gonna get a bar of this beautiful soap. And that's kind of how the Golden Bubble gift works. I see who has signed up as of the 26th of every month, and I write their names down, and all of those people are going to get a gift the following month, and that gift typically comes within a week and a half of the 26th into the new month. I'm really excited for them to get this soap because it is gorgeous. And that wraps up another video. Stay tuned for the next one. I don't know exactly what I'm going to make, but follow me on Instagram where you can get sneak peeks into what might be coming. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so, because I make beautiful projects like this every video and I have fun. So have fun with me. And I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.